back in 2022, I thought my mixes were solid. But listening back to them now, not so sure. Let me play these two tracks for you. One was mixed in 2022 and the newest one was mixed December 2024. And I want to talk about my mix journey and how I've developed my mixes to make them sound better. So we've got mix from 2022.
Look, like, listening, gotta listen up. Every man on the road, they be sticking up. Really getting busy, get sicky for the Lizzie. Be really in your city, but the city ain't big enough. No, see man go down for the same postcodes that they started. Swear it's so jarring. And I got dreams, man, I wanna be an artist. Didn't wanna lose any moment in the booth, so I told bro, grab the Camden to market. What if I never made a tune or took another route? Tell me, would I ever be a target? I can't face no scars, I ain't Al Pacino. Their ambition wasn't bigger than their alter ego. Leave the beat, I don't even need the read or needed me, but I never needed you, so. But they ain't hating on me, maybe because I.
You hear the differences between the two mixes. The vocals could do a bit of work still, but you hear how the kick's more punchy, how the bass is more full, how the overall sound itself is more just nicer, just more pleasing to the ear. And that's because over time I've developed my ear and I've changed my approach to how I mix and just understanding what I'm doing, understanding how I want things to sound, not making the vocals sound so thin. I know every mix is subjective. Every artist likes their mixes a certain way, and these are things that you pick up over time. So what did I do for my journey to improve? I invested in learning. I watched a lot of courses, I watched a lot of YouTube. There's some really good tutorials out there, some really good engineers who share some amazing knowledge that's helping us to get better at what we do. Albeit there is some out there that's probably not as good, but we can't knock them. They think they're doing something. Obviously they're at a place where they're thinking that they're good, like me back in 2022, and then they'll hopefully will progress and get better in a couple of years' time. So I'm not knocking them at all. You just have to take it with a pinch of salt and just take from it what you want and adapt it to your mixing style and just develop your ear. The other thing I did was upgraded my tools. You might have seen my videos on the N console, the A console, the Gold Clip, Gold Track, and them type of third-party plugins. And I feel like it's helped my sound a lot. And just listening to what I'm doing, just really taking notice of what the plugin's doing to my sound, how is it affecting my sound. And this has really helped me to level up my mixes. And I know like if I keep on this path, on this trajectory, and who knows, I could be charging $5 for a mix one day. Wishful thinking. The other thing I do, or started to do more, is referencing tracks, referencing established mixes, listening to the mixes of favorite engineers or just tracks in general that sound really good and just breaking them apart, thinking like, why does this sound so good? How they're getting the vocals to sound like that? Why it's so dense yet the vocals are cutting through, and just trying to work out and find ways to make that happen in my mixes. So it's just a constant learning curve. And then practice, lots and lots of practice. The more you do something, the better you're going to get at it. That's with everything. Let me break down this mix for you so you can see what I've done. So the first of all, you can see N consoles on there. That makes a huge difference. The drums and the bass. Gold clips on there, got the UAD Studer on there, doing a little bit. Actually, I really like that plugin now and then. And what I've been using a lot lately is the Oxford limiter on vocals, just the enhance feature, and that just adds a little sank to it.
Dreams, man, I wanna be an artist. Didn't wanna lose any moment in the booth, so I told bro, grab the Camden to market. What if I never made a tune or took another route? Tell me, would I ever be a target? I can't face no scars, I ain't Al Pacino. Their ambition was.
But it works though, especially in the mix. Listen.
Dreams, man, I wanna be an artist. Didn't wanna lose any moment in the booth, so I told bro, grab the Camden to market. What if I never made a tune or took another route? Tell me, would I ever be a target? I can't face no scars, I ain't Al Pacino. Their ambition wasn't bigger than their alter ego. Leave the beat, I don't even need the read or needed me, but I never needed you, so. Yeah, I'm liking that. And then the Shadow Hills, I've been using, I was using, so for this mix I used the Shadow Hills mastering compressor, the green one, because at the time I didn't have the A, which is the red one. And I was put onto this plugin by a very, very good engineer. He said,
Just put the shadow hills on your vocals. Yeah. Don't do no tweaks, just put it on there and just listen to it. And I've been doing that ever since. But for this mix, I didn't. It was before that, before I was told that. Anyway, the shadow hills, you got the circuitry here, still iron and nickel, and they give like a different saturation, harmonic content to your signal. So let's just hear what that's doing.
Dreams, man, I wanna be an artist. Didn't wanna lose any moment in the booth, so I told bro, grab the cam, then to market. What if I never made a tune or took another route? Tell me, would I ever be a target? I can't face no scars, I ain't Al Pacino. Their ambition wasn't bigger than their alter ego. Leave the beat, I don't even need the real or needed me, but I never needed you, so. But they ain't hating on me, maybe cause I don't claim that I'm raised on the streets. This life ain't a game, who you aiming to be? People just unite like it's BBC Free. I might flip a beat, I don't flip the phone. I might grab the mic, not grip the pole. I won't slip or fall like I'm in the snow. I took another trip like...
See, I'll just put the Shadow Hills A comp on and turn off the limiter. I feel like it sounds better. And this is what I'm saying, you're always learning, you're always trying to find ways to make your music sound good. So I'm going to leave that where that is. Going over to the vertigo, I've got that turned off, yeah, but I feel like it will add some more weight to the vocals. So let's just listen to that.
Dreams, man, I wanna be an artist. Didn't wanna lose any moment in the booth, so I told bro, grab the cam, then to market. What if I never made a tune or took another route? Tell me, would I ever be a target? I can't face no scars, I ain't Al Pacino. Their ambition wasn't bigger than their alter ego. Leave the beat, I don't even need the real or needed me, but I never needed you, so. But they ain't hating on me, maybe cause I don't claim that I'm raised on the streets. This life ain't a game, who you aiming to be? People just unite like it's BBC Free. I might flip a beat, I don't...
And again, that's adding a little something to the vocals, which sounds nice. And then I've got the UAD Ampex, which is one of my favourites to put on the master bus. I've just put it onto 15 IPS tape speed, half inch tape, and I just like how it sounds, what it's done to the mix.
Dreams, man, I wanna be an artist. Didn't wanna lose any moment in the booth, so I told bro, grab the cam, then to market. What if I never made a tune or took another route? Tell me, would I ever be a target? I can't face no scars, I ain't Al Pacino. Their ambition wasn't bigger than their alter ego. Leave the beat, I don't even need the real or needed me, but I never needed you, so. But they ain't hating on me, maybe cause I don't claim that I'm raised on the streets. This life ain't a game, who you aiming to be? People just unite like it's BBC Free. I might flip a beat, I don't flip the phone. I might grab the mic, not grip the pole. I won't slip or fall like I'm in the snow. I took another trip like an Uber home, man. Maybe I'm not ready for the life. Am I making the cut? Not ready for a knife. Fuck little Bo Peep, cause they're losing their sheep. Now they're losing their sleep over little white lies. I can do this for free, I ain't seeking a fee. Claim that they're woke, but they're sleeping on me. Hate when you're broke, but they seem to retreat. And then bounce when you're up. I bounce on the beat. Said I do it for the love, but
yeah, so I didn't realise that my mic had died. And yeah, oh well. So if you're in the same place I was back in 2022, I've got some tips to help you to level up your mixes faster. First one is reference tracks. Compare your mixes to professional ones. That way you know where you stand. Second thing, invest in learning, whether it's courses, YouTube, mentors, or just experimenting. Make time to learn. And the third thing, just be patient. Mixing is a journey. Keep practicing and you get there. Nobody, even the experts you see in forums bashing noobs for asking a silly question, there was once amateurs as well. So it's okay. Got a video lined up for you. Make sure you go and check that out. See you in the next one.